Let's solve a problem about car acceleration using a velocity versus time graph. We're given a graph showing how a car's velocity changes over time as it shifts through its gears. We need to find the average acceleration in second gear, fourth gear, and through all four gears. Let's look at the velocity versus time graph. We have velocity on the y-axis in meters per second and time on the x-axis in seconds. The graph shows how the car's velocity increases as it shifts through its gears. Notice these flat spots. They represent the moments when the driver is shifting between gears. Let's first find the average acceleration in second gear. Second gear starts at about 5 seconds and 18 meters per second and ends at 12 seconds and 35 meters per second. To find the average acceleration, we use the formula. Average acceleration equals change in velocity divided by change in time. Plugging in our numbers, we get 17 meters per second divided by 7 seconds, which equals 2.43 meters per second squared. Now, let's find the average acceleration in fourth gear. Fourth gear starts at 16 seconds and 37 meters per second and ends at 27 seconds and 44 meters per second. Using the same formula, we get 7 meters per second divided by 11 seconds, which equals 0.64 meters per second squared. Finally, let's find the average acceleration through all four gears. We'll look at the entire journey from 0 to 27 seconds. The car starts from rest at 0 meters per second and reaches 44 meters per second. Using our formula one last time, we get 44 meters per second divided by 27 seconds, which equals 1.63 meters per second squared. So, to summarize, the car's acceleration was highest in second gear at 2.43 meters per second squared, lowest in fourth gear at 0.64 meters per second squared, and averaged 1.63 meters per second squared over the entire journey.